a little diversity for you down here. Mercedes, Porsche, Lamborghini, 57 Nomad. How's that for a lineup? Ooh, Hot Rod Bug. What's up, David?
How
you
are you,
doing,
Brian?
man?
Good to see you.
Yeah, you
Good to
too.
see you.
Is this you?
It is me. It is me.
Where'd you find that?
This Volkswagen was built about 15 years ago by Hank Young.
Why, everybody knows Hank Young. Come on,
Everybody
Biker
does know
Build-Off fame.
Yep. Season 3 and 4, I believe.
Good old Georgia boy.
Yep.
So tell me about it.
It's a 61 VW Ragtop Volkswagen. The front end has been replaced. It has been moved forward. The fenders have been shaved, removed. It's also been lowered. Other than that, it's pretty much an original car.
One of the cool things about these is you take basically the German, everybody's car, you know, these were meant to be the people's car, and you put an American hot rod turn on it. You know, the Coker Excelsior hot rod tires on it.
Model A headlights, Model A tail lights.
You got the Steelies, and if you look at the little fake exhaust pipe, I'm assuming that's a fake exhaust pipe.
Actually, that is a VW Thing accessory heater, and that's the exhaust pipe for the accessory heater.
That is the oddest thing I've ever seen. A gasoline-powered heater in a gasoline-powered car.
Correct.
That seems like the dumbest thing ever.
They were in the Volkswagen Things, they were known for catching on fire. It was a great engineering feat.
Great idea.
Yeah, great idea.
Let's check out inside. Look at that cage. That's so awesome. Goes all the way over the top and around the back.
Real unique color interior.
I'm glad you have your fire extinguisher.
Oh, yeah. If you're running a gasoline-powered heater, it's pretty wise to have a fire extinguisher close at hand, within arm's reach anyway.
I mean, worst case scenario, you can always go out the top, you know?
Yeah, when
if
you
you get in trouble,
out of it.
ah!
Caffeine and Octane is brought to you by Haggerty. Let's drive together.
So I'm supposed to come look at a really cool car collection in the middle of Mississippi and to an undisclosed location in the middle of a hurricane. And I don't know, there's some undisclosed. Oh! Oh, God! No! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Guys, we're on